Organization is the creation of a meaningful structure for ordering parts into a cohesive whole. In this unit, we ask students to learn strategies for organizing and prioritizing ideas and information. Students' ability to organize information and to express their ideas is dependent on their ability to sort and categorize concepts. In early childhood, children are often asked to sort concrete objects by shape, color, and size. However, as they get older, they are required to sort conceptual information, a challenging process that is critical for success in school. For example, being able to identify main ideas versus details is crucial for many academic tasks, such as writing, reading comprehension, note-taking, and even studying for tests. If students cannot sort information efficiently and accurately, they may struggle to keep up with the demands of their schoolwork as the information they're asked to process becomes more varied and complex. When studying for a test, if students have difficulty categorizing and prioritizing information, they will not be able to study in a strategic or systematic way. They will often reread their notes over and over again, or fill out their study guides passively, without distinguishing between information they know and the information that they need to review. This unit will help you to teach your students strategies that will help them sort and prioritize information as they plan projects or essays, take notes, or study for tests. When teaching students to organize information and ideas, it's important that they reflect on how they think. As students begin to understand their strengths and weaknesses, they can identify the strategies that work best for them. As your students develop an understanding of how they think and organize their thoughts, take time to show them how to apply that knowledge to their classwork and homework. When writing, graphic organizers like the BOTEC worksheets in Lesson 1 of this unit can provide an explicit, structured approach to writing that allows students' ideas to flow effortlessly from beginning to end. Note-taking is another area where it's important to combine strategy instruction with opportunities for self-reflection. In order to take successful notes, students need strategies that help them structure their notes according to the demands of the class, or to use keywords and phrases to identify the most important pieces of information. Quick tip: students should also explore ways of taking notes that closely match their personal preferences. Some students would rather take notes on a computer, while some prefer paper and pencil. Strategies like the use of abbreviations or color coding are most effective when students personalize them. Some students like to use their favorite color when highlighting the most important things they need to remember from their notes. The triple note tote strategy is a great way to help students visually understand how to organize main ideas and supporting details. This note-taking template includes a critically important third column for students to develop personalized strategies that will help them remember important information. Keep these concepts in mind as you teach the SMARTS organizing lesson plans. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at info@researchild.org.